Hi everybody, I'm Jelena Fedurko-Cohen and I want to invite you to come to the 38th TOCPA conference that will be conducted in Paris on 28-29 March this year as a joint event between Marris Consulting and Zero Constraints Practitioners Alliance. I will be presenting at this conference about how to make change happen using TOC thinking processes. I have been with Zero Constraints for nearly 20 years. And the area of thinking processes and the way the change is handled by the wide portfolio of the tools of thinking processes to manage people on the way to implement change is a very exciting area. Zero Constraints has good tools in order to help a person to analyze the problem, to make sure that the person knows the justification for the solution, to make sure that the solution is checked against the risks, that all possible obstacles, or at least known obstacles, will be found out and it will be found out how to deal with them, and what should be the plan, what should be the roadmap from the point when the idea for the change emerged until the point when the change is successfully implemented. This is what we will be talking about in my presentation. And I want to invite you to come to the conference and see you in Paris.